So my name is Emma Davies and I'm a Critical Care Transformation Manager with AaGIC, and in my substantive post I'm a Major Trauma Practitioner. As a Critical Care Transformation Manager, my role involves working with the senior nurses and practice educators in critical care to understand some of the workforce challenges. Critical care has seen huge pressures in the last 2 years, and I feel this role is really important to be able to support the workforce and also support the education required to ensure that the workforce is skilled and is able to deliver high quality patient care. The thing I enjoyed most about my job is being able to engage with my service colleagues and to be able to really advocate for nursing, as well as supporting the delivery of education across the critical care services. The message I'd like to share is to say thank you to all of my colleagues who support me, inspire me and continue to challenge me to be the best nurse that I can be. And also that in times that are really challenging, I think it's really important that we hold on to our values that are important and recognise the valuable contributions we make as nurses.